everyone, Aja here from Pandamonium. It is a nice, beautiful, sunny day here in our new location. I think this is Carl's Park, and it's in between Magnolia Beach and Freeport, down on the coast of Texas. I don't know what I'm going to get into today, but it is a beautiful day. Yes, ma'am?
Do you want some salad?
Oh, yeah.
Salad to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello.
How's your day today?
It's very good, but Scotty's very sick.
I know, that's so sad.
He's got a big swollen gland over here.
Ugh. Thank you for the salad.
You're
It looks
welcome.
delicious.
It's Asian.
Asian! Trying to get a little editing and answer some comments before I go exploring. It's such a wonderful spot here, and there are a lot of beautiful and nice things to see. So yeah, I'll take you around in just a little bit, but yeah, I'm going to edit and finish my salad. I have my box fan in the window because it is quite warm. I just don't have it on for this clip. So yeah, this salad is actually really yummy. Thank you, Terry. I appreciate it. Delicious. It's been pretty hot all day, so I've been inside watching movies and editing and just relaxing until it cooled down. It's now just starting to cool down, so we are going to go for a little walk. Moo-moo, come on. Bye, base camp. So we're going to go to this walking path here, and it goes all the way around, all the way to those trees over there, and then around the trees, and then back. Ooh! Polygon? What are those?
Apple.
Cool.
Miniature frogs. Uh-oh.
What? Oh, there's something poking.
See the marks the scrapes going through?
What is that?
Animal.
Oh. Oh, I see the footprints.
Yeah. See the print? That's a deer print right there.
Uh-huh.
That can't be a deer print. It's not deep enough.
Looks like some kind of animal print. Looks,
Small.
maybe it's a raccoon or something.
It'd be a small animal. Probably a fox.
Could be. Really beautiful here. Look at this little stream that leads out to the river. It's a cool old looking bridge. Alright, we're gonna continue on. Go. Good girl. Oh, that's pretty cool. What is that? Oh, it looks like it's... I wouldn't go on it. Do you think somebody lives there?
The other thing I'm trying to do is think is why they have this here.
Maybe it's a swimming platform.
I think
because there's a ladder on the other one.
They wouldn't have.
Well, no, because if they were the bridge, then they would be the same level.
Well, if this one was torn down and that's still the.
Oh, true.
But that don't look old.
Right, it does look old.
Unless there's something comes down and they would load stuff on here. Or
could be.
I don't know.
I think they're just docks, like swimming docks.
You do? That's freaking high.
Yeah, but
And
see,
look at
that
the
one has a
metal.
ladder. See where the ladder was that comes down to the water?
They don't build
But
it
it's
like that.
it's like all
You know how much each one of these
old and
beams
stuff and
cost?
falling apart.
That was-
Pretty cool set of stairs.
Gluteus maximus.
There's older residential homes there. Here's the path that we are walking on. And Carl's Park is right there. There's where we are. What are you doing? Digging for gold?
I want that rock with the hole, but I can't
Oh no, that's so cool.
but I can't get it.
In the watershed house.
Yeah, shed house. They're not really
That's what I
nice
wanted-
houses, but oh
what I
yeah,
wanted
that
to
one
build on
is
my
actually a
property.
shed.
That's
They also have cows in this pasture. Pretty cool. Moo!
With some trees.
Cows out there, just a few.
Oklahoma City and then
That's a closer shot of the cow. Look how, oh, I was gonna say the grass is really deep, but it's like a, no, it's like a swamp or something. Cause look at, he's got mud or she's got mud all the way up to her belly.
But
Wow.
with all that water, that's good tender grass.
Oh, I bet.
That's why they're just.
She's like, yummy. I'm just gonna walk through the mud. Oh no, it seems awful. Don't get stuck.
Yeah.
All right. Well, they're not the lightest things, so I'm sure it'd be easy to get stuck. Moon was like, is that my cousin? Check what out.
These are the regular rocks laying around.
Uh-huh.
Look at it cut in half.
Oh yeah, that's pretty.
There's another one.
Wow. I've seen something like that before. They do cut stones like that, don't they, and sell them?
Yeah, sell the slices of them.
This one, it has a thumb imprint.
That is a weird looking
This is a
rock.
tool.
It almost looks like a foot. Maybe a dinosaur stepped on it.
Okay. Those are the kind of cows that get stuck in the mud and can't move. He was just she was just looking at me. She's like, I know you're talking about me.
It's fine.
Okay.
She gets stuck. They'll know she's stuck.
I'm sure she'll be like, moo.
Trying to dig a rock.
Colleen, what you doing? Trying to dig up a knife rock? You look like a little girl digging in the dirt.
It's some kind of lily.
So it's a form of a lily. So Colleen told me this is a starfish flower. Isn't that beautiful? There's a closer shot of the flower. That's awesome. So I had to run back and grab my other camera because my new camera ran out of batteries. And that's the only thing I don't like about that camera is the batteries don't last too long. But usually I do carry a battery pack with me, but I didn't this time. So beautiful here. They have a kind of deck or pier that runs along the water's edge. Yeah, this side doesn't look too clean. It's probably because this side is flowing, so that's probably why it looks neat. Is it cold?
No, it's gorgeous. It's swimmable.
What do you think, Moo-moo? She's like, no. If you're wondering, this is sort of under Houston. Houston is up here, and it's on the coast of Texas down here, more to the west. Unfortunately, there is a lot of trash in the water as well, just beer cans, because people come and park here at night and party. I guess they just don't care about the environment, but oh well. Don't want to be preachy. But I'm saying it's pretty sad looking. Colleen's already cleaned up some of the trash, but I don't know, we're not getting in the water. I don't know if this is snake-infested water. Oh yeah, look at those claws.
And they're deep, so that's got to be something big to be able to claw into this.
Right.
Came out last night twice.
Did you?
With my flashlight and knife, I heard something.
Yeah, there was people partying over here, I saw.
Something with the campers.
And this was at like 1 o'clock in the morning because I came out to let Moo-moo go pee-pee, and so... You know, if they actually put some more trash cans, it would probably prevent some of this litter. Because for this park here, they only have one small trash can, and it's way at the front. So, you know, I guess if it inconveniences people, they're not going to put it in the trash can. Which is sad, but, you know, it happens. What are you on about?
There's a Trojan head on the wrapper.
Ew, disgusting. I don't want to show that. Okay.
It's real life.
Yeah, it's real life, but I don't really want to see it. This is such a beautiful place. We definitely plan on staying here several days. So it's up in the air, not yet. I am going to be doing my plan video, what plans that we have in store for the upcoming months. And I'll be releasing that video soon, so keep an eye out for it. Who's the Moo-moo? You're the Moo-moo, yeah. All relaxing underneath solar panel shades. Got my solar panels up, and they are putting out good shade. Actually, it feels pretty cool under these panels. Look at that bowl of goodness right there. Terry just brought me over some chicken fettuccine with shaved Parmesan. She made it for Scott and herself, and she had extra, so she brought me a bowl over. That just looks yummy. Ooh, so good. So look what I have here. This is bowl 2. She said she had plenty, so she brought me over another bowl. I'm gonna be so stuffed, but it is so delicious. Look at that. Yum. Oh my goodness. Look at those clouds that they have updraft, and there's a few with the downdraft. They look kind of scary. Well, actually, the downdraft ones are gone. Oh no, I see them. They're right there.
They're right there.
Yeah. Hope there's no tornado forming. It looks like what?
A dog or a rooster.
Laying on its back?
This one.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
See the little ponytail? It was a kitty cat. It just had kitty cat ears, and now that thing.
All right, everybody. Well, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. I'm just going to go inside and enjoy some TV, maybe some movies and some shows, and then probably go to bed after editing. Yeah, but we're gonna hang out for a little bit first, so I will see y'all in the next video hopefully, and until then, stay safe and onward bound. Love y'all.